Hi everyone, welcome back to the Innovative Insight Hub. Today we have diving into the magical world of video with Inshot. If you have ever wished for editing tool that was both powerful and easy to use, you are in for a treat. Let's change the scenery a bit. Alright, let's start Inshot. Ready to tour? Let's get started. First, click New Project and select your video or a photo. Think of it as a blank canvas, and this will be even more exciting. Once you have chosen your media, you will land on the editing interface. Here you have a varieties of tools at your disposal. Okay, let's dig deeper into the canvas. Now click on the canvas as per your requirement. Either you want to upload the video as per the Instagram or to the YouTube channel. Based on that, you can select the canvas. Once you have done with choosing the canvas, then try to adjust the screening either by zooming in or by dragging the screen to the upside. After adjusting, you can click on Done. That's it. You have chosen the canvas and adjusted the screen. Okay, now let's talk about the trimming and the splitting. If you want to cut out part of your video, just tap on the video and trim it. You can easily adjust the start and the end points. For more prescribed edits, click on Split. Let you cut your video into segments. Once it's done, move to the next part, that is adding some effects. Tap on Effects to browse through options like transition, filters, and overlays. Below are the some of the filters which will be helpful for you to choose your transitions or your effects. You can instantly change the look and the feel of your video. If you want to add text or sticker, just tap text or sticker. You can customize font, colors, and positions to make your video stand out. It's like adding a personal touch to your video set. Once it's done, you can click on plus button and click on blank to add a new video from where you can add stickers and upload a photo or a logo you would like to upload it. Adjust it as per the screen and the requirement and then click on done. As you can see that a video has been uploaded with the logo which you have inserted into it. Repeat the same steps as you have followed while uploading or editing the new video. You can even use the split to remove the unwanted video clip. Once the split is over, click on the animation and here you can apply the in and out animation to the video which you have selected for. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Innovative Insight Hub. Don't forget about the music. Inshot provides a library of tracks, or you can import your own. Just tap music, choose a track, and adjust the timing to fit your video. And that's it. When you are happy with your edit, tap save and export your video. InShot allows you to choose the resolution and quality so you can get the best output for your needs. So that's a quick overview of how to use InShot for video editing. It's a powerful tool with a lots of features packed into a simple interface. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Let's go.